I click on publish, and then where do I want to display this template? So here I can say I only want to display this on a certain singular page. So I can say I only want to show this on the front page or in a certain blog post or a certain category. So every blog post with a certain category will have this header pop. We'll talk about it later. Right now I want to show this on the entire site. And then I click on save and close. So now we need to create a header over here. How can we do that? We can click on the plus. We're going to create it from scratch. I click on the plus and then I can decide how many columns I want to have. Well, I want to have 2. Why? Because I want to have a left area for the logo and the right area for the menu. So I click over here. And what you see over here, you have this blue line over here. That means that this is a section. Section has a blue line wrapped around it. So if I create a new section with, for instance, 4 columns, you see this blue line shows this a new section. So I have 1 section, 2 section. And in those sections, I have columns 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2. And in those columns, you see a plus, or you can go over here. In those columns, you can add elements. So I can drag a heading over here. And if I go back to all the elements, I can add an image over here and I can drag it below. And all those elements can be edited, of course. There are 3 tabs. The content tab, depending on the element you use. So if I click over here, content tab looks different. If I click on the image, it looks different. So here we can change the content, change the image, change the title, change the alignment. Then we have the style. There we can configure the look and feel of this element. And then we have advanced, and that is almost everywhere the same. We can do slide in, motion effects. I have a background of this element, change the positioning, make it responsive, add custom CSS. I think this looks overwhelming to you, but rest assured, I will show you all these steps. I will show you what it means. So what I want to do now, I want to close this section.